Ni kiriro kia nyina na andu a nyumba ya Benson Njiro na Emmanuel Mutura aria makoretwo magite kuma muthenya wa kiumia riu Miiri yawe kionekana nyumba-ini ya kuiga miiri ya thibitari ya Embu kumana na ikuũ ciao iria riu ironekana gukorwo ithiũrũrũkĩirio ni kiriga.
Ciana ciaku ni haya mathaigire na matirambira ciana ni kiroko egoro.
Kuringana na mamawe wa anake ya Felix Thega, Njiro uria ni wa ukuru wa miaka 22 na mũrũ wa nyina Mutura uria ni wa ukuru wa miaka 19 mekinyetie tauni-ini ya Kianjokoma kwendia nyama ya ngũrwe indi matiacokire kuinuka undu uria wacũngĩrĩirie mĩhang'o ya kũmacaria kwambĩkwo.
They were both on long holidays. They are university students. However, they were doing small business, and on the particular day, they were actually selling pig meat.
Watoto walikamatwa Sunday, si ndio? Na wakawekwa kwa gari. Aravu hawakurudi nyumbani. Sisi tukaamua tukuje jana. Tujue juu tulisikia kulikuwa na msako, tukuje tuangalie kama wako kwa station ama wamepelekwa kotini. Tukakuja tukaambiwa hakuna majina kama hayo inapatikana wapi kwa ombi.
Thengia ya guikio ngono ni maabitha a borithi kuma ceceni ya borithi ya Manyata ni kwagarara watho wa curfew anake matiakinyirie ceceni ya borithi indi Miiri yao yacokire kuhithukio muthi wa keri.
When the parents came to Manyata police station to ask, they were told nothing. When they went to Runyenjes, it is DCI Runyenjes who assisted them. He told them 2 bodies were corrected. They can go and check at Embu mortuary. We went there and true we found the bodies there. Only now for Manyata police to tell us that they corrected them. Yet we have been coming here and they have been denying they know nothing about it.
Wakati tulikuja asubuhi, si wangetuambia vizuri. Kuna Miiri walipeleka wapi? Mortuary. Ili tufuatilie. Sasa ni kusunguka mpaka leo.
Andu a nyumba ya anake ya eri aria marari arutwo university no mekirire nganja undu uyu kuona Miiri yawe ererikana gukorwo yahithukirio kilomita 30 kuma haria maikitio ngono.
The bodies were collected almost 30 kilometers from where they were arrested, and we don't know how they got there.
We are very frustrated if this is the kind of policemen we are having, and especially show at Manyata police station, because they are also human. They should have told this lady that they have corrected 2 unknown bodies.
Ona kuri uguo ruhonge rwa borithi ni rweteteire gukuruhanio na undu uyu Miiri ya uria ni munene wa borithi sub kaunti-ini ya Embu ya rugongo akiuga anake ya eri ni kurugama rugire kuma ngari ya borithi guku maabitha aria mariho makiaga kumenya undu ucio.
Walikuwa wanaongea polepole na katika ile hali wakaweza kufungua hema. Walikuwa upande wa mwisho kabisa. Waliweza kufungua hema na wakaweza kuruka gari ikitembea. Na kama tunavyojua kwamba gari ikitembea katika mwendo, hakika ukianguka either uumie ama upoteze maisha.
Riu aciari a anake aya ni morĩtie rũhonge rwa kũramata mĩtugo ya maabitha a borithi rwa IPOA kwambĩka ũthuthuria igũrũ rĩgiĩ ũndũ ũyũ. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa